Hello my students, how are you? Prep 3. Today we'll explain from الدقهلية government model number 3 الدقهلية in the year 2023. Model number 3 الجبر. Look with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. The range of the values x plus 4, x minus 3, x plus 8 where x is the real numbers x. We know the range equals the difference between maximum and minimum. Look at here, the maximum value here, it will be x plus 8. It's the greatest value, x plus 8. Subtract by smallest value was x minus 3. We can write x plus 8 and then product negative by this expression, negative times x, negative x, negative times negative positive. Then we can simplest x minus x equals 0, then 8 minus 3, 8 plus 3 equal 11. Then the result will be letter D. The range will be 11. Next question. Number 2, if a and 4, one of the points of the function such that if image 2 r of x equal to x plus b, then 6a plus 3b equal. We have point belonging to this straight line. Belonging to straight line, it's meaning satisfies this point satisfies the function f. Function f, we have f of x, it's meaning the image y equal to x plus b. And we have the point e and 4 is belonging to function f of x. Then satisfies. Put here the value of y will be 4 and x equal a, right? 2a plus p. He wants to find the value about 6a plus 3b. Okay, if we product this expression, right hand side, left hand side with equation by 3. What's happened? Look at here, 3 times 4 equals 12 and 3 times 2 equals 6. 6a and 3 times b equals 3b. Then 6a plus 3b equals 12. Then the solution about this example, it will be 12. Choose letter A. Next question. If the real length is 6 meter, length is drawing is 6 centimeters, then the drawing scale. Do you remember drawing scale? The ratio between length in drawing and length in reality. Okay, drawing scale. The ratio between length in drawing and the length in the reality. Length in drawing, we have 6 centimeter. And length in the reality, length in the reality 6 meter. You can convert from meter to centimeter, right? 6 to 600. Then you can divide it by 6 to simplest it. 6 divided by 6 1 and 600 divided by 6 is 100. Okay, this question from grade 6. Do you remember it? Okay, understood. Again, drawing scale equals the ratio between length in drawing and length in the reality. Length in drawing 6 centimeter and length in the reality 6 meter. You can convert from meter to centimeter, product by 100. Then 6 to 600 divided by 6, it will be 1 to 100. It choose letter C. Next question. If x Cartesian product by y equals set of points like this, he wants to find set x and y. X will be the first and y will be second projection. X here will be 3. Look at me, the first projection 3, 1, 2, 3 also repeating, 1 repeating, 2 repeating. And y, the second projection, we have 2 and 4, right? 2 and 4, 4 and 2 is repeating. Then we have x and y now. Number 2, we can find the difference between x subtract by y, Cartesian product by x intersection by y. I can find x the difference y here. What's the answers here? Who can tell me the elements in x not belonging to y? 3 and 1. 3 and 1. It's elements belonging to x and not belonging to y. 3 and 1. Okay. Cartesian product intersection between x and y. Intersection between them, it will be 2. 2 intersection between 2x and y. Then we can find the Cartesian product between two sets. Right? The first order 3 and 2 and second 1 and 2. Next question. Choose the correct answer. If x plus 1 and the square root of y polling equal to negative 1 and the cubic root of 27 and x and y lies in first quadrant and third. Okay, look with me example. First I will write x plus 1 equivalent to what? X plus 1, it will be equal negative 1. Then we can find the value of x here, negative 1 minus 1. It will be negative 2. And also square root of y equal cubic root of 27. Understood? Look at here. Then square root of y, cubic root of 27 equals 3. Then the value of y equal 9. Because square root of 9 equals 3. Y equal 9 and x equal negative 2. Then we can write the order of x and y. It will be negative 2 and 9. The sign here negative and second positive. Negative and positive will be right in the second quadrant. Look at first quadrant, second, third, fourth quadrant. The sign here will be negative and positive. Negative and positive, it will be right in the second quadrant. Choose letter B. Next question. Okay, understood. Question here, number 2. If a over b equals 3 over 5 and 5 product by a is subtracted by 2 equal 20, then value of b equal. Okay, in this example we can write e equal 3 product by m and b equal 5 product by m, such that m not equal 0. Okay, he wants to find the value 5a minus 2b. 5 product by a equals 3m. 5 times 3m equal 15m. Subtract by 2 times b. 2 times 5m, it will be 10m. We can find the difference between together, it will be 5m. Okay, then he give me the result was 20. Look at here, this expression was 20. 5a minus 2b equal 20, then 5m equal 20. We can find the value of m. 20 divided by 5 equal 4. Then we can find the value of a. 3 product by 4 equal 12. And b equal 5 product by m. 5 times 4 equal 20. We have value a and value b. He won't find value b, the result will be 20. Okay, he won't be 20. Next question. If x and y are two sheets and number of Cartesian product x and y, it will be 11. Number of x Cartesian by y equal 11. And number of element of x subtract by number of element of y equal what? Okay, look at with me here. We know 11 equal 1 product by 11 or 11 times 1. Since the difference between them 11 minus 1 or 1 minus 11. Okay, you can write 11 minus 1 equal 10 and 1 minus 11 negative 10. Then we have the answer here. He give me 11. Then the number of element x1 and 11. 1 times 11 equal 11. Okay, or 11 times 1. He won't find the difference between 11 1. 11 minus 1 equal 10. Or 1 minus 11 negative 10. Okay, number of Cartesian product x and y equal 11. Because 11 is the prime number. 11 equal 1 times 11 or 11 times 1. The difference between them equal 10 or negative 10. Understood? The elements of x, it will be 1 and here 11. This number will be changed positive or negative 10. Okay, change this question not correct. Okay, about this question we have false questions here because 11 equal 1 times 11 or 11 times 1. Understood? Choose letter D, but change 11 4 to 10. Okay, next question. With standard division of the values, we can find first x bar, sum of all values, 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 divided by 5. We can write 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 divided by 5. The x bar, it will be 7. And then we can draw x and x subtract x bar and x subtract x bar all power 2. Do you remember the steps? Write the steps with me, okay? This table, write the elements 8, 9, 7, 6, and 5. 8 minus 7, 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 7 negative 1, 5 minus 7 negative 2, power 2, about all numbers. And then collect the result. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10, and we have the number of elements was 5. Then standard algorithm. Standard division here, we can write square root of number was 10 divided the number of elements 5. The result will be square root of 2, approximated to 1.7 or 1.4. It's a direct question. Okay, next question. 30% of 600, meaning 30 over 100 product by 600. We can divide it and write 0. 3 times 6 equal 18. The result will be 180. Next question. If E5 are proportional quotients, proportional quantities, then E over B equal, we can write the ratio between E over 5 equivalent to B over 7, and the ratio between E over B equal 5 over 7. Next question. Okay, we have the question here. Question letter B. Find the value of 5 minus 3D plus F. Give me this information: E over B equals C over D equal E over F equal 2 over 3. Okay. We can find the result about this example by write the value E equal B product by 2. Okay. He give me 5A. Look at here, 5A. Subtract by 3C plus E equal 18. From the equation here, we can write E equal B times 2 over 3. Do you know about this example? We want 5A over subtract by 3C. Give me this information, and you want to find value of 5B subtract by 3D plus F. Okay. We can do this operation about this example. Pay attention. Okay. If we put, look at here, this expression, 5 product by A, it will be 5A. And 5 product by B equal 5B. Then we want here negative 3C. Okay, right? Negative 3 times 3 equal negative 3C. And down negative 3 times D, it will be negative 3D. And here E, write E, and down write F. Okay. If we collect together, it will be 2 over 3. It's proportional. First proportional product by 5, numerator and denominator, and second proportional product by negative 3, and third proportional product by 1 and 8 together. The result will be 2 over 3. He gave me the answer about numerator equal 18. Then 18 over 5b subtract by 3d plus f equal 2 over 3. Then we can find the unknown here, 5b subtract by 3d plus f equal 3 times 18 divided by 2. 3 times 18 divided by 2, okay? 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 times 3 equal 27. Then the answer will be 27. Next question. Question number 4. We have relation between A and B. Its meaning A plus B equals 7. Okay, we can find the relation here. Look at 1 from x plus 6 equals 7. And 3 here plus 4 equals 7. And 4 plus 3 equals 7. And 5 plus 2 equals 7. It's a relation. Show our function or not? Yes, it's function because each element of x has one image in y. Yes. Our relation we have here are function. And why? Because each element of x has one image of y. Each element of x has image of y, and we can draw our diagram here. First set x and second y. This x and y. Write elements of x. All elements 1, 3, 4, and 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then join 1 to 6, 3 to 4, 4 with 3, 5 with 2. And then he asked here the function or not, and the range. We can write also the range. Here is the image 6, 4, 3, 2 is the range. The range will be 6, Look at here, 6, 4, 3, and 2. Understood? Next question. If A, B, C are continued proportion, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Okay, we have proportional. It's meaning what? It's meaning A over B equal B over C equal C over D equal M, and then we can write A equal dm power 3 and B equal dm power 2 and C equal dm. Okay, we can start from left hand side. A power 2 plus B power 2 plus C power 2 over B power 2 plus C power 2 plus D power 2. A power 2 A equal dm power 3. Then we can power this term here. It will be D power 2 M power 6. And then B power 2 B here dm power 2. It will be D power 2 M power 4. Plus C power 2. It will be D power 2 M power 2 over B power 2 D power 2 M power 4 plus C power 2 equal D power 2 M power 2 and D power 2. We haven't D power 2 up. Okay, write D power 2 here. We haven't D power 2. Then you can write head factor in numerator. We have D power 2 repeated and also M power 2 repeated. M power 6 divide M power 2, it will be M power 4 plus M power 4 divided this number M power 2, and the same number it will be 1, and down we have D power 2 head factor divided it will be M power 4, divided this it will be M power 2, and divided this it will be 1. We have the similar here now. You can simple it. We have similar in numerator and numerator. This bracket similar. You can see here. You can cancel together. Okay. And also this, then the remainder will be M power 2, it's left hand side. Now I will solve right hand side. Right hand side is expression C over B product by D. Okay, simplest here. Write the value of A equal dm power 3 product by C equal D product by M over B dm power 2 product by D. Then the result D cancel by D, M power 3 times M power 4 divided by M power 2. The result will be M power 2. Then they are equivalent. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Then we prove that now. Okay. Next question. If function f of x such that f of x equal kx power 2 plus 3 product by k plus 2 of x plus 6, and x coordinate of the vertex the curve is second, -2. Find the value of k. Okay, again give me x coordinate of vertex of the curve is -2. Do you remember about x coordinate vertex -2, negative coefficient of x, like this, negative coefficient of x over x power 2 of negative b over a is the vertex, like this. If we have the point, look at this, f of x was equal kx power 2 plus 3k plus 2 product by x plus 6. Okay, this operation here, coefficient of x power 2 equal k here. You know the vertex of any curve, it will be negative b over 2a. He give me the first x coordinate of the vertex of the curve, it will -2, then negative b over 2a equal -2. Okay, he give me this information. Do you remember about the vertex negative b over 2a and the function of negative b over 2 of a is the order for negative b over 2a and f of negative b over 2a. Okay, it's the vertex of any curve. He give me this information, x coordinate, meaning negative b over 2a equal -2. We can write the negative b, meaning coefficient of x here, it will be negative 3k plus 2 over 2 product by a here k, 2k. Negative coefficient of x over negative coefficient of x over coefficient of x bar 2 times 2. Okay, the result will be negative 2. Write 1 and product between two numbers. Negative 2 times 2 equal negative 4 and k, and here write negative 3k plus 2. We can simplest this example, then 3k plus 2 equal 4k. Then the value of k here, it will be 2. Move negative 3 by inverse, 4k minus 3k equal k, then k equal 2. The value of k here equal 2, okay? And he asked about minimum or maximum value of function here. Okay, we have k equal 2, then we can write here 2. It will be 2x bar 2, and 2 times 3 6, 6 plus 2 equal 8. 8x is the function here. We have the curve about coefficient x bar 2 down. It will be minimum. This function, it will be minimum, not maximum. But he asked about minimum or maximum. Minimum at what? We can find the function of x. X was what? He give me x was negative 2. Okay, then function of n negative 2 equal, write negative 2 here, 2 product by negative 2 power 2 plus 8 product by negative 2 plus 6. Write 2 product by negative 2 power 2 equal 4 plus 8 times negative 2 negative 16 plus 6. You can simplest 2 times 4 equal 8 here, and negative 16 plus 6. 8 minus 16 negative 8. Negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Then the answer here will be negative 2. Then the image minimum at negative 2. Understood? So the vertex we found here, the value here of k equal 2, and the point will be negative 8 and negative 2. It's the point, okay? X-axis negative 8, you know, negative b over 2a equal negative. We solve the example by these properties. You must know negative b over 2a equal negative 2. He gave me this information. X-axis was negative 2. Then negative b over 2a equal negative 2, and then you can product to find the answer in simplest form, to find the value of k here. K equal, we found k equal 2. Do you remember? And then put the function to find the image, put x equal negative 8, because x is the first coordinate. I want to find the image with the word x equal negative 2. Sorry, the negative x was negative 2, and the function give me information. Wait, yes, negative 2, and the image was also negative 2. Then the point will be negative 2 and negative 2. Here the image about this is the function here will be minimum at negative 2. Understood? Understood. And the value of k equal 2. Then if we put f of negative 2, he asked in this example, what is the minimum or maximum value of function? It will be minimum. Minimum, why? Because coefficient of x power 2 here positive. If coefficient of x power 2 positive, it will be minimum, like this curve down. At x equal negative 2, put x equal negative 2 in this function, then the image will be negative 2. Then the point will be negative 2 and 2. So you must write minimum at negative 2. Next question, number letter B. It's the opposite figure. We have function f of x equal kx plus m, represented graphically by the straight line AB. E gives me the point A equal 3 and 0, and point 0 and 6. And this figure is a shape, it's a square. Write the rule of the function if you want to find the function f. Okay. Look here, we have 2 points pointing to the straight line. Then this is fine. This we can find the slope here. The slope, it's the coefficient of x slope. K equal, we can write the slope here, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Look at here, 2 points here. We can write here descending, it will be negative, the slope will be negative. We can write 6 minus 0 over 0 minus 3. 6 minus 0, 6, 0 minus 3, negative 3, then the result will be negative 2. Then the slope here, k, will be negative 2. Then the equation f of x will be equal, the coefficient here, negative 2 product by x, and the constant part here cut 6 points, because it tells me 0 and 6. It will be 6 parts. This is a function f of x. Okay, it's the function of x. Next, find the area of square. You won't find the area of square. We want to find the length of the square. We have the point D pointing to the straight line. It will be satisfies the equation. Okay, all sides are equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 sides equal. In this point, the order of h, it will be x and x because the side here equivalent. Then point h, the order of it x and x is belonging to the function f of x. Okay, understood? Look with me, this point belonging to the straight line, it will be satisfies. Satisfies, it's meaning what? What's the order of this point? The order of this point h equal x and x. Okay, this length, I will put this length x and this x. Four sides are equal lengths in square, and each side x. Then the point x, move x right hand side and up to x to going to the h. Okay, put this function x here, the image x equal negative 2x plus 6. Move this number, it will be 3x equal 6. Then the value of x equal 2. Then the area of square, we found here the length of square equal to two length unit. In the area of square equal 2 times 2 equal 4 square units. In the area will be 4 square units of this square. Understood? To finish question now about this exam. Understood?